In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to create a student account in Qatar Airways. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. The proper way to create a student club account is through the Qatar Airways website. So using a web browser, go to www.qatarairways.com. When you arrive at this page, select Privilege Club on the menu at the top of the screen, and then choose the Student Club from the menu at the left under Discover. When you click Student Club, you will be redirected to the summary page where you can browse through all of the features and benefits of being part of the student club. I recommend that you take your own time so you are aware of all of this that is included, and if possible, you read through the terms and conditions. But if you want to register and you are satisfied, click Join Now over here or at the top of the page. When you click Join Now, you will be redirected one last time to a page where you can create your account. You will have to include your credentials, so your email, password, and register for the website. Include your personal details, your country or region of residence, and once you include all the necessary contact information, you will be able to proceed and create an account to be part of the student club. You will receive a promo code immediately that you can use on your next flight, and you will get all the benefits included. I hope I was able to help you on how to create a student account in Qatar Airways. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.